Do not move a finger because in this video we are changing the fuel filter on a Ford Ranger. I chose the ECOGARD brand, which sells around $7 on Amazon. It looks great, it's well made. You can find the part number in the video description. These are the tools that you might need. Get some gloves and protective glasses, and you are ready to go. The filter is located under the bed on the driver's side, so I recommend you get on your belly like Superman. That way you avoid gasoline falling over you. And common sense here, always compare the new one with the old one before you start your project. I'm adding some WD-40 to loosen up the connectors since they collect a lot of dust and dirt in this area. This will make it easier to unplug them and you don't struggle too much. Anyway, always find what works for you depending on the angle of the hoses. And in my case, it took me a long time to get them unplugged. As you can see here, one is thicker than the other one, so you won't have any issues when installing the new one. Just align it to where they fit properly and you should be fine. If the hose is not going in fairly easy, that means the clip is closed. Sometimes these old clips get stuck. Just push them out with a small screwdriver and you're all set. Triple check that everything is good. Go ahead and press firmly and mount it in the bracket, and you are done under the truck. Now move the ignition to the on position for 10 to 15 seconds. Do this a couple of times to remove the air in the line. Then start the engine. Check for spills, and you're done. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.